How's it going, guys? Gavin here. Today we're down at Road Atlanta doing a special private track day in the Radical SR3 1500. This is the championship winning car. We're out here today driving it around, getting some good laps in, prep for Radical Cup. I'm out here with Primal today. Tyler, do you want to talk a little more about Primal?
Yeah, sure. I'm Tyler Edwards from Primal Motorsports. Primal is kind of a one-stop shop. We are a Radical dealer in Georgia and South Florida. We also have a racing school, and we also have a performance shop to work on all the cars. So we have the SR3s out, we have the SR10, the SR1, we have all the cars out for this event, which is awesome. But yeah, we have students that come through the racing school, start with their first time ever in a race car on track, and they can progress into something like this and go racing competitively, so we do it all. We're just gonna give you a quick walkthrough of some of the cars that Radical offers. The one right here in front of us, this is the Radical SR3 XXR. This is the most popular model in the States. It is powered by a 1500cc race engine, and it is just over 230 horsepower, about 1,300 pounds, so it's super light. Power to weight ratio is awesome. It's very balanced, very predictable. Everything is just super communicative behind the wheel. And it's amazing to drive. If we move on down here, follow me, we have the Radical SR10 XXR. This is the beast. This is the biggest, baddest model you can buy. It is not for the faint of heart. This has double the power as the SR3, but it's the same wheelbase, same tire size, so putting that power down is pretty incredible. 425 horsepower. It's about 1,700 pounds, so it's a bit heavier, but this is a proper bit of kit. And again, not for the faint of heart, but it is a bullet down the straightaway. And last but not least, we have the entry-level car. This is the Radical SR1. This is the smallest, lightest Radical. It's 1,000 pounds. It's about 180 horsepower. This is actually what we use in our racing school. So if you want to come out and join our racing school at Primal, this is what you would be driving. It's a high downforce, really fun open cockpit prototype, and it's really great for driver development. And this is where what we find a lot of kids coming out of karting and they're transitioning into a race car. This is a great starting point. But for anybody who's wanting to get into something like this, it's such a friendly, fun car to drive, and this is just some of the cars that we have. So, yeah.
Hey guys, middle of the day, we're at halftime here. Boys are working on the cars, having a couple little issues. We had some killer laps this morning though. Got down to a 127, pretty competitive time, first time out at this track in a 1500. So running solid so far. They're gonna get it back up to shape and we're gonna jump right back out there. All right guys, so I just want to give you a little backstory about myself. My name's Gavin. I'm 20 years old, born and raised in Nashville, Tennessee. I got started into racing back in 2024 after my freshman year of college. I'd played baseball for 14 years up to that point, was in a D2 program, and decided that I needed to take a step away from baseball, kind of branch out into something different, and it led me to racing. I've always been a fan of racing, always loved racing, but never grew up with the kind of karting background that most of the drivers today do. I didn't have the funding backing or any of that. I found a kind of niche spot with Primal, who were just getting started down at AMP. They had a school, kind of a super basic, come and get your time in a race car school. So I went and did that for 3 days in the Radical SR1, which they lock down at a certain percent on the throttle, so it's nice and tame, and just fell in love with it. And I did incredible, apparently, I guess, compared to some of the first-time students they have roll through there. So it's kind of snowballed to where we're at today, you know. I've now raced 23 races, had 22 podiums and 7 wins. So we've gone pretty far in the SR1, and we're at the next step where now we need to branch out into the SR3 world and other opportunities. Podium is super aligned in the Radical world. We've got some really cool stuff with Radicals coming up, and this is kind of the next step to get out there and get into the race world in these cars. They're extremely fun to drive. A lot of the Cup Series titles have undercards such as IMSA, IndyCar, WEC. They get a lot of their races on weekends where other big things are happening, which is great publicity for guys driving these cars. They're rather affordable and easy to work on compared to some of your higher class Ginettas and things like that. So it's been a really fun car to drive, getting used to it, learning racing, and I'm gonna go as far as I can. So check out my socials if you guys want to. I'm trying to get this as far as possible. If you're interested in working with me as a sponsor, there's information for that on my site at gpracing.net. So follow along, guys, enjoy the journey. We're gonna get there.